everyone, it's Miss Christine here from Southgate Community Center, and today we're going to be making a fun word sign.
All you will need to make your fun word sign is yarn, tape, a pair of scissors, 1 cup, paper, and a marker. For the first step, you're going to need your cup, your marker, and your colored paper. So you're going to start by placing your cup face up. You're going to take your marker and you're going to trace the bottom of the cup. You want to try to make it as close to a circle as possible. If later on you need to cut some of those wiggly lines, that's totally fine. So you'll continue on until you have all the circles you need, and you can do as many colors as you'd like. For the next step, you're going to need your cup, the white paper, and the marker. So you're going to start by flipping your cup the other way because these circles are going to be used for our letters. So you want them to be a little bit bigger, and if you can measure it out right, you can fit about 6 per page. This one's going to be a little tight, but that's okay. You can make up for it when you cut them out. So for step 3, you're going to need your circles and you're going to need your scissors. So you're going to go ahead and take your scissors and cut out the different circles. Like I said before, if you needed to make up for any wiggly lines, you can do that now. So you'll cut out your small ones. If you want to use that side, it'll be a little bit cleaner. You won't see the marker. And then you can take your white paper and cut out your larger circles. For the next step, you're going to need your white circles and a marker. What you're going to do is write the letters that you need to spell out whatever word or name you are going to be putting onto your sign. You can make the letters as colorful as you'd like. Today I'm going to keep mine white and black, but you're going to continue this step until you have all of the letters you need to spell your word or name. For our final step, you will need yarn, tape, the colorful circles, and your letter circles. I went ahead and put my circles in order so that I wouldn't have any misspellings, and that way I could have a rainbow pattern in between my letters. So once you have your circles in order, you're going to take your yarn and you want to give yourself a little bit of room so that you're not starting right on the edge and you have some yarn to hang this up. So once you have it in the right place, what you're going to do is take your first circle. You can add extra circles on the ends to make it longer. Today I'm just going to use one circle in between each of my letters. So once you have it in place, you're going to have the yarn right in the middle of your circle, and you'll take a piece of tape and you will secure the yarn and the circle together. Once that's complete, you can take your first letter, and what you want to do is make sure when you're looking at the letter, it's the correct direction. You don't want to have a sign with upside down letters or the word reading backwards. So once you see that it's facing the right direction, you can slide it underneath your yarn. Give yourself a little bit of room so that the letters are not right on top of the colorful circles. And you'll take another piece of tape and you can secure the yarn onto the back of your first letter. You're going to continue doing this until you have all of your colorful circles and all of your letters on your yarn.
Once you have all of your circles onto your yarn, you're going to want to find a cool place to hang it up. I hope you have as much fun making your word sign as I did.